Too late. You guys are losers.
The full Spider-Man Homecoming trailer is finally here, and in it, we see the moment Peter Parker meets Iron Man. Okay, so I already wanted to see this movie, but after that trailer, mama can't wait. The 2-minute trailer made its television debut yesterday on Jimmy Kimmel Live, and in it, we get to see everything from Peter Parker going through his formative years to our girl Zendaya making a cameo.
Too late. You guys are losers.
So to become an Avenger, are there like trials or an interview?
Just don't do anything I would do. And definitely don't do anything I wouldn't do. There's a little gray area in there, and that's where you operate.
Oh.
All right?
That's not a hug. I'm just grabbing the door for you. All right, kid.
We see Spidey take on Vulture, played by Michael Keaton, as well as dealing with typical high school drama with crushes as a prepubescent teenager, and saving the world, of course. We also got to see Iron Man giving Peter some valuable advice on how to earn his Avenger cred. Also, this is really the first time Spider-Man is being portrayed truly as a high school teen in a film, which is reflected in the title, Homecoming. The chairman of Sony Pictures explained why the title was chosen, saying, quote, "It's obviously a high school reference and shows Peter Parker's enduring conflict, saving the world and getting your homework done." That's one heck of an ultimatum. It all goes down when Spider-Man swings into theaters July 7th. So, what did you guys think about the trailer? I have to know, so hit up that comment section below, and also don't forget to subscribe. And when you're done with all of that, make sure to click here to check out an intense surf workout on Beauty Trippin'. Thanks for watching Clevver News. I'm your girl Jackie Idenisi, and have an awesome weekend.